Well, the first thing I would suggest is instead of starting from scratch and basically banging your head for 3 hours on PowerPoints and everything, I would suggest using a free template. Personally, I use the HubSpot free template that is a really good starting point if you want to start with a structure. Next up, what I would suggest, even for a startup, just get a mentor. And this mentor can help you because most of the time they got experience in the industry. They probably made a lot of business plans in their life. So I would suggest getting a mentor and doing the business plan with him so you can tinker yourselves, but also add a touch of identity to the business plan because this is really what makes your company stands apart, right? You need to identify your key values and put it into words inside your business plan so that the investors or the person that sees your business plan is really attached to the founder and the mission more than just the metrics, right?